Clicking the top banner on healthdata.org gets you to our latest COVID-19 projections for the United States and Europe. In the green bar there is a drop-down location menu. Click on the state or country you want to review. Key dates and other information appear at the top. If you scroll down, you will find hospital resource use, deaths per day, and total deaths graphs for the location you selected. The hospital resource use numbers only apply to COVID-19 patients. Each graph has dotted lines that provide information for the days and weeks ahead. These lines are our best estimate for what will happen. At the bottom of each graph, there is a key that shows what each line represents. Each dotted line has a colored band around it. This represents what we think are the low and high range for that category, since these are estimates. If you place a cursor over the graph and move it left or right, a text box will show you the numbers for each day for our best estimate, as well as the range. Boxes above each graph provide other important information, such as the date we expect peak events to occur. Don't forget, these numbers will be updated regularly, so please come back to see the latest projections. At the bottom of the page, there are links that take you to IHME's COVID-19 webpage and allow you to download the results. All our projections assume full social distancing through May 2020. If you'd like to know more, there are links at the top of the page. Thank you for visiting. Come back soon.